tracing and finding the main shapes for this exercise. This exercise is created for my Patreon community. If you are watching this is for you. So the first thing I want to do is find the main shapes for this photo. I'm going to use only the ice cream. So you can find here a rectangle. You can see here kind of a triangle with the rounded edges. You can find here a circle for the eye, another triangle with rounded edges. Down, the tail will be something like this, and I don't know what is the name of this. Okay, so this is the shape, and this shape can be used to recreate here. So we can select this, make a copy, and move it here. This can be like your base for a new drawing. So let's do it brown. We can erase this. Be careful with the eraser. If it's too big, it will delete much. And we don't want that. So something like this. And don't forget to put this in brown. So this can be like a starting point for this shape. The idea is that you can find different shapes in different elements, like this. You can see here is a triangle. This shape is hard to see what it is exactly. Something like this. And this can be like two ovals, one oval here, one oval here, and another triangle. You see? Different shapes in different elements. Let's see this one. Another ice cream, a big triangle. Circle here, circle here. These are the main shapes that you can see for these elements. And this is what I want you to find in every project that you want to start drawing. This nice? The same here. I have this project available for you to download in my Patreon community. This exercise is only for my paid membership. So you can see this is a circle, like an oval, but this is another oval down, and another oval. So the idea is that you find the main shapes and work with them to recreate these nice cookies. You can find here like an oval, and this is kind of oval, and you can make a leaf here, and a leaf here, and a stem. This can work for your base to start drawing here the same things.